Cassidy's Corner. Darren and Dave. It's a beautiful day. No more rain. We hope. We had a big day yesterday. As a group, we're up to 500, 600 fish. I don't know. We're close to 600 anyway. But we're trying to get 800 today. And it's Wednesday. First day of no rain.